Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about how to extend this line out, and then I realized I was using a guideline, and you might not know where the guidelines are, you might not know where the snap to is. So I'm going to just hit delete and delete that guideline. Your guidelines are on the inside of this ruler. Just right click and you can pull guidelines out. But the snap to is under View, Snap to, and check off guidelines. I keep Object and Snap to Page on all the time. I don't really care about the guidelines that much, but when I do need them, I will check that. So then when you bring your ruler, and you can't just go here and it's not going to snap. You need to be near a node. Let's just do this. Let's turn this into a, there's the nodes on the corners. They're there whether you're black or white. So you need to be near that node for it to snap to. I don't care what node you pick. It could be a node in here. But you've got to be near a node for that to snap to. You can't be all the way over here. It's not going to snap to. But when you get pretty close, it's going to snap to that node, and then you can color that back in and take away the red hairline. But the node is there regardless. There's a node there, you just can't, you can barely see it. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but as long as you're close, you're to that snap to. And then that's how you would change this preference of going so far out. And by holding down the control button, you've got like a 15-degree increment as default. So as long as your mouse is even close, you're going to be dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.